Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Learn. Today we're doing a listening dictation practice to boost your English listening and writing skills. Let's get started.
The turning point. Emma had always been a cheerful and optimistic person. But lately, she felt like everything was falling apart. She had lost her job, and her relationship ended. Emma felt hopeless and didn't know what to do. One day, while walking in the park, she met an old friend. They talked for hours about life and its struggles. Her friend suggested she try volunteering. Emma decided to give it a shot. She started helping at a local food bank. Seeing the smiles of people she helped gave her a new perspective. Emma realized she wasn't alone in her struggles. She began to feel a sense of purpose again. Emma also started taking small steps towards a new career. She took online courses and attended workshops. Slowly but surely, things started to improve. Emma found a new job and made new friends. She was happier and more fulfilled than ever before. Emma learned that even in the darkest times, there is always hope. She understood that challenges are part of life's journey. And with determination and support, anything is possible.
A new beginning. John had been working at the same company for 10 years. One day, he was called into his manager's office. To his shock, he was told he was being laid off.
John left the office feeling lost and uncertain.
For weeks, he searched for a new job without success. John began to doubt his skills and worth. He felt discouraged and worried about his future. One morning, John decided to change his approach. He updated his resume and started networking. John attended job fairs and joined professional groups. He also took online courses to improve his skills. Gradually, John started receiving interview invitations. After several interviews, he was offered a new job. John was thrilled and grateful for the opportunity. He realized that persistence and adaptability were key. John started his new job with enthusiasm and hope. He quickly became a valuable member of the team. John's confidence and self-esteem improved greatly. He learned that setbacks are temporary. With determination and effort, a new beginning is always possible.
Hãy like và đăng ký kênh để nhận thêm nhiều video hữu ích khác nhé.